Looking for the best ceiling speaker kit but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best ceiling speaker kit based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Herdio's 6.5-inch Bluetooth in-wall and in-ceiling speakers are a cut above the rest. The independent 4-channel wall amplifier brings you stereo sound effects, and the in-wall amplifier allows you to stream music to connected intercoms or speaker systems hassle-free. With the mic-in, USB, and AUX-in functions, you can connect and stream audio from external devices with ease. The wall plate receiver adds convenient microphone paging ability and sample source audio control, making these speakers perfect for home theaters, bathrooms, offices, kitchens, or custom audio applications. If you're looking for high-quality, reliable speakers that deliver superior sound, Herdio's got you covered. Number 4. Herdio's 6.5-inch Bluetooth ceiling speakers are a powerhouse for any home audio system. The 4-channel Bluetooth amplifier lets you pair 4 speakers for a powerful surround sound experience, and the 100-foot range ensures a strong connection even when you're far away from your device. With the 3.5mm AUX-in jack, you can connect external devices and stream audio with ease. These speakers are perfect for homes, offices, or custom audio applications, and they're even paintable for a seamless installation. If you're looking for a top-notch Bluetooth speaker solution, Herdio's 6.5-inch speakers are a great choice. Number 3. Herdio's 5.25-inch Bluetooth ceiling speakers are a great option for anyone looking for a simple and easy-to-install solution. The compact flush mount design makes it easy to install in-wall or in-ceiling, and the independent digital amplifier box brings you stereo sound effects. You can stream music from all your favorite devices, and the 300-watt peak power output per pair delivers plenty of sound. These speakers are perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or covered patios, and they're even suitable for humid environments. If you're looking for a hassle-free Bluetooth speaker solution, Herdio's got you covered. Number 2. Polk Audio's RC80i ceiling speakers deliver seamless audio quality and excellent sound reproduction. They're perfect for adding to your existing home speaker system, and they're designed for both indoor and outdoor use. The 8-inch dynamic balance woofer and 1-inch aimable tweeter work together to create a more balanced and lifelike sound. These speakers are great for bathrooms, kitchens, and covered porches, and they're even resistant to moisture. If you're looking for speakers that can withstand the elements and deliver amazing sound, look no further than the Polk Audio RC80i. Number 1. The Rockville CCL6T Bundle is a game-changer for commercial spaces. Its 6-zone smart control allows for precise room balancing, making it perfect for large restaurants or offices. You can stream music via Bluetooth, play from USB or SD cards, or feed TV audio through the optical input. With 3 mic inputs and 2 line inputs, you've got flexibility for any setup. Installation is a breeze with detachable Euroblock terminals and active cooling. This bundle is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their commercial audio game. I highly recommend it for restaurants, offices, or any commercial space that needs reliable and high-quality sound. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.